Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make me some grilled cheese sandwich. I haven't had this in a while and I've been craving this, so I went and got my cheese and I got my bread. And I also going to use mayo, but you're going to see what I'm going to use the mayo for, okay? So hold on you guys. Okay you guys, here is my bread here. What I'm going to use the mayo for, I'm going to use this instead of butter that we always use to put in our pan to make our grilled cheese. What I'm going to do, I'm going to spread my bread with mayo, okay? Because it has the oils and it has the flavor. I've been doing this for a while. I was using butter, and then there was another alternative way, maybe maybe just a tad bit healthier. And so I got a little mayo on this side of the bread. I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it down in a skillet. Okay, you guys. Now I'm about to add my cheese. Okay, now I'm about to put mayo on the top section of my bread, you guys. You put it all the way from the tip, the middle, and everywhere possible. Okay? Okay. That's my bread. And these are so good, you guys. So here's my cheese on here, and I'm just going to put this on the top. So when I flip it, that's going to be down in the skillet. So I will be back when it's done. Okay, my grilled cheese now is ready to be flipped, you guys. So I'm going to let you see how it look. Ah, look at that golden brown. Yes, indeed. So I will be back when it's all done, you guys. Okay, you guys. And here we have it. My grilled cheese with a twist. Instead of using butter, use mayo. Okay? And it tastes very good and you have flavor in there, you guys. So I'm about to get to eating. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, y'all.